RIDGID puts a new spin on drain cleaning with FlexShaft. Get wall-to-wall clean quickly and efficiently. With the K9 102 for 1¼ to 2" pipes up to 50 feet and weighing less than 25 pounds, or the FlexShaft K9 204 model, ideal in 2" to 4" residential and commercial pipes up to 70 feet and weighing less than 40 pounds. The FlexShaft's super flexible cable easily navigates the bends and twists in pipe, so you can see why this technology is the perfect application for drain cleaning. Chain knockers are specially designed to expand to the size of the pipe, quickly and completely clearing blockages and cleaning the entire circumference of the pipe. A cordless drill is attached to the center of the drive shaft and spins the chain knocker and cable at high speeds for maximum efficiency. The cable spins inside of a durable nylon sheath housed fully in a contained drum for less job site mess. Teflon-based lubricant is included and available to improve your pushability for both your FlexShaft and inspection camera's push rods. Wall pipes are included with the K9 102 for 1¼ and 1½ lines to allow simultaneous water flow in under-sink applications. These can also be used with other ridge drain cleaning machines and cameras. A full suite of chain knockers and accessories are designed for cleaning grease, sludge, small tree roots, and other soft blockages. Smooth rounded chain knockers clear grease and other soft blockages in common pipe types. Carbide tip chain knockers are for more aggressive cleaning, like removing scale and small roots from inside the pipe. Since the cable spins inside of a durable nylon sheath, the FlexShaft machines can be operated with a camera in the pipe, so you can simultaneously clean the pipe and see what the FlexShaft is cleaning. FlexShaft saves you time and increases your productivity and profitability with its fast setup, cordless convenience, quick cleaning, and fast cleanup. The lightweight, compact machines are easy to transport from worksite to worksite and enable one-trip drain cleaning. The RIDGID FlexShaft drain cleaning machines for wall-to-wall clean in a fraction of the time. To learn more about the RIDGID FlexShaft drain cleaning machines, visit RIDGID.com or contact your authorized RIDGID dealer.